I'm on my way to ride the Standard at 18th Avenue. I'm 2 stops away. 4 minutes. Got 4 minutes before the event starts. See if I make it. 18th is the next stop. I'm 1 minute away. That's not it. Or is it? And there it is. Still just chilling, not even on the platform yet. I love these New York Transit Museum nostalgia rides, but I am super bad at making it on time. Anyway, I made it. I don't know what I was so worried about. They're never on time. It hasn't even platformed yet. It hasn't even started to. But yeah, it's better for me. 11:47 and I'm still waiting to stop being funny, I don't know, at 11:01. Okay, so I had it completely wrong. Here's the AB Standard. Let me get my little thumbnail. Oh, it's not coming this far. That's where it's stopping. All right, all aboard. 2392. Got the double doors there. And a single door here. Via Bridge, Times Square. This seems like a crowded car. You know what? I'm going over here. Oh, only one door open. That's a weird separation of the doors here. Okay, I'm on board. There's the good old rattan seats. It looks like they replaced. You could see one of the rattan seats was ripped, had some red over it. Here are the windows. Fun fact, they used to have shades you could pull, and they uninstalled those pretty quickly, like a few years after they were installed. The AB Standard started service, actually started testing, 1915. Ceiling fans were added. I think they came with some of the newer cars, but they were added later to the older cars. But it's a nice little touch. Can I go through? Or no? Yeah, go. Oh, appreciate it. What is going on in here? Why? Okay. You can hear I'm right up next to the fan there. All that wind. Okay, this seems like a self-important people car. I'm going to go have fun. Sorry, on second thought, I don't want to be in that car. It's crowded. Appreciate it. He said, "I don't blame you." Yeah, I'm gonna go in here and enjoy our ride rather than just go in there with the photo op people. Okay, so we can leave anytime now. Nice flat, like actual glass, not plexiglass like these days. And there's the middle doors and the good old-fashioned ads here. I'll get a better shot of the controls on the middle doors later. These are 10 feet wide. Oh, fan. What's up? Got a fan. What's your name? You don't have your username, whatever you want to say. Dwayne. Nice to meet you, Dwayne. Right on. How long have you been a fan? I think it's like 4 months. 4 months. Wow, right on. Do you guys hear the whistle? Gotta love the train whistle. Yeah, it looks like there's a mixture of replaced rattan, older rattan, and like very old rattan seats. But they did a pretty good job replacing, making it look nice. Anyway, like I was saying, if you go from right to left here, you see these are wider than the IRT line. It's 10 feet wide. And longer, too. I believe 67 feet, 63 feet, I can't remember exactly. I'm not an expert, but when these things... What is that? Oh, that was just an F train. That was just a Cuomo F train. When these things hit the rails, man, they were luxury rides back then, for sure. Look at all that space. It's a beautiful car. I believe these double doors with a post in the middle were actually a new innovation with these specific cars. Now double doors are a standard, and they don't have the post in the middle. Alright, so let's get a better shot of the crossways. There we go. All the way from right to left. And the little grabby handles there. They had metal straps, but I think those bars they installed later. Not much later. Not many modifications were made super late, but they added some, upgrades as they went. Festival of Gas? Okay, that's a weird thing. Oh, this one's missing the backing. That's a comfortable looking seat. I think I'm gonna not sit in it. Ah yes, the opening windows, that was a brand new feature too. I think the IRT was mostly underground when it started, but this one, with the Sea Beach lane, Sea Beach, is that where it went? Culver? Not quite sure. Anyway, so they designed it with some windows that could open. And these incandescent bulbs up here, they used to have globes over them to soften the light, but then they removed the globes later because, as you can imagine, they probably broke pretty easily since plastic wasn't really a thing. And then if you look above here, on the roof, that's ventilation. Yep, on hot summer days, they would let in the air from outside so it could ventilate. And on cold summer days, got the heater under the seats right here. I'll bet that was cozy. I'm gonna warm my feet. Just kidding, it's not really on, but you get the idea. Luxury. Shout out to the New York City Transit Museum for providing me with the opportunity to make more content this week. And here are the controls for opening the doors to the car. For each car I think they have one set of controls. That was an innovation too. The IRT lines had door operators stood outside the car to open the doors. The interior door, I guess, conductor standy space was a new innovation. That's why the middle doors have the wider bar. And from what I understand, those control all the doors, although they don't open all the doors. They don't open all the doors on this nostalgia ride, apparently. I never noticed that chicken wire. I'm not sure if the chicken wire came standard. I'm pretty sure that's new, so people don't, for safety reasons, modern safety reasons. Can't be 100% certain though. But that's the old way of shatterproofing glass. Put chicken wire inside of it. So if it shatters, it just sort of still stays together. Still dangerous, still hurty. Wow, that was a quick ride. We're already to Kings Highway. That's a bummer. It's not a bummer. I had a good time. I wish I hadn't wasted an hour waiting for it.
You gotta go around.
Wish I'd have been able to get on at 11 o'clock. I would have ridden it there and back and gotten some more footage. It's a beautiful train, though. You know what? I am going to go to the front of the train, or what's going to be the front was the back. And I'm going to get a shot that nobody else can get because I have a boom pole and I have a little camera. Here we go. Nice little crane shot here. Get the top of the train. There you go. My dude's telling me not to touch the third rail when it's all the way over there. And train is leaving, whatever. But I met Calvin, right? Yeah. Another fan. Right on, man. Appreciate it. Calvin 8. Calvin 8 is your username on YouTube? All right, cool. Thanks, Calvin. Appreciate it. Damn. Apparently, the train started at Kings Highway here and went to 18th Avenue instead of the other way around. But, I got some footage, met some fans. Now I'm going to take the F train home. I met a fan, Stefan.
Please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell.
Click the notification bell. Like, help increase the reach of the channel. Stefan, pound it. Right on, man. Appreciate it. Stefan said tappity tap. That's some old school right there.